just pinched my bloody finger. That hurts. Oh. No matter how much I reorganise and redo everything in this place, there just always seems to be a massive pile of crud lying around. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Flip My Ride. In today's episode, we will be getting the Lux down on all fours. So I'm hooking in and getting everything back onto it so that I can now drop it down and have it as a rolling car again. So I've been really looking forward to this. That's for another video. I'm pointing a Q-tip at you. You'll see that in another episode on Flip My Ride. Anyway, enjoy the episode, chill out, relax. Remember, find it, buy it, fix it, flip it, and you might end up with a couple of doozies like this one. See you later. That's one side completely now stripped down and basically cut. So as you can see, that looks like 1,000 times better. Bonnet, I've done all of this area. Next is this side. I'm not going to tackle that just today. It looks a bit daunting. That is the condition of the radiator. Pretty little pattern, isn't it? I'm not sure they're going to be able to fix that. I'll take it down to, I don't know, Natrad or someone here in Brisbane. Yeah, she's just, oh shit, look at that. How rooted is that? I'm guessing there's meant to be a lip around the outside edge. I might get a new one of those, I think. Shit. Alright, so could explain why it was overheating. It still moves. That was my thermostat. She is seeing better days. Look at that. Surprised this thing drove home. Okay. I've cleaned it and I'm going to wash it down. I'm going to run some water through the top here to try and flush out whatever shit's in the engine, the block. So it's going to make a mess everywhere on my nice clean paintwork, but anyway, so we'll do that now. It spins nice. That there is turning the water pump, so that's how you pump the water around your motor. Oh, so much room. If you go to the toilet, make me want to wee. finally back down on all fours. I'll probably need a little bit more pressure on the tyres. Remember, we are getting new tyres. So she's down, she's rolling. Been dying to get that happening for ages. I can do a bit of a tidy up now. What else? Bumper bar's off, but as you can see, I think it's rooted. I thought I'll take the ends off because I need to do a bit of cleaning and repair on those. And yeah, she's eating right out. That side's good. That side is pretty munted, so I don't know. I may have to buy another bumper, second-hand bumper, radiator. We saw that. That's looking pretty tight. Got a bunch of stuff stewing outside. So we've got the airbox is here. I've got a pile of parts and I'm just experimenting with a couple of different cleaners. But I'm trying to get this clean in the middle there. Happy days.